Kenton, and if you're watching this video, you are probably considering applying for a Kenton Realty Group apartment. In this video, I will be sharing what you should expect during the application process. If you have any questions after watching this video, please feel free to text, email, or call. To begin the application process, you will need to go to www.kentonrg.com and click on Find a Rental. You will see all of the currently available properties. Click on the property you are interested in applying for and select Apply Now. This will bring you to the application page. Before you fill it out, I'll explain the fees. There is a $50 application fee per person to do a credit and background check. The main thing we are looking for is a 700 or better credit score. If you know your score is lower, there are other options. If you have one or two roommates and one of them has a 700 or better credit score and yours is a little lower, then your roommate is effectively co-signing for you and you should be accepted even with a lower credit score. If everyone applying has a lower score, then there are two other options. The easiest is to have a cosigner with a 700 or better credit score co-sign for the apartment. They would need to fill out the same application. If you know your credit is poor and you know you'll be getting a cosigner, then you can simply have the cosigner apply so you don't have to pay two application fees. If you can't get a cosigner with a 700 or better credit score, then depending on your score, you may be able to prepay one extra month's rent up front. Now, back to filling out the application. Even though the application asks for it, I do not need you to upload or attach any supporting documentation. Simply answer the required questions, input your credit card information, and submit. After you submit the application, I'll get an email alert, and assuming I'm near my computer, I can review your application and order the credit and background check within a few minutes. Once I order the report, you, the applicant, will receive an email from TenantCloud saying that I ordered your report. This is a safety feature where you will need to open that email and agree to allowing me to view your credit and background check before the program will release it to me. After you complete that, I'll receive the report, and again, assuming I'm near my computer, I will review it and have an answer for you in a couple of minutes. Once I have all the application and credit reports from all the roommates and cosigners, if applicable, and assuming you are approved, I can start working on the lease. The lease is updated each year by the Chicago Association of Realtors. I will fill it out and upload it to DocHub for everyone to sign. Each person on the lease will get their own email from DocHub with a link to view and sign the lease. I'll need everyone to initial, sign, and date the lease where applicable. After you have filled in all of the blanks, you'll need to finalize the lease. Once all signers have finalized the lease, you'll need to send in payment. Payment can all be together or separate as long as it adds up to the full amount. We do not accept a security deposit for any of our units. We do, however, require a $500 move-in fee per unit, not per person, and the first month's rent upfront. We do allow cats with a one-time pet fee of $150. Rent can be paid via Venmo, Chase QuickPay, Zelle, or PayPal. But if you use PayPal, be sure to send it person to person and not for goods and services, or they'll take out a fee and you'll be short. All payments should be sent to kg5252@yahoo.com. Once I receive full payment, I will countersign the lease and email a copy to everyone. Be aware that even though you may have applied for the apartment, we will continue showing the apartment and not take down the listings until I have a fully signed lease and the full payment required for the lease. Once you have received the fully signed lease, please watch the tenant welcome video as well. I hope this video answered your questions and explained what to expect during the application process. Please be sure to share this video with your roommates and cosigners. Thank you.